happy. People think that I'm rich, and I am, but not how they think. I have a truck with a gold keychain in the ignition and on the back.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Yan. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, thank you so much for coming back. And for today's video, I'm gonna be doing a mini skincare haul. Along with that, I will also be showing you guys how I created this makeup look. I was really inspired by Michelle Choi's Instagram Vibey Makeup look. So I decided to create my own take on that makeup look, and I hope you guys will like it. Let me know what you think on the comments Let me know what you think on the comment section down below. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. The first two products that I got from Yesstyle is the Skin and Lab Dr. Troubleless Medicica Calming Cream, which I've been really loving because it's so lightweight, absorbs fast on the skin, and perfect for hot and humid weather. Next is a sun cream, and I love this one from Some By Me because it also helps even out your skin tone while protecting your face from the sun, so I highly recommend this too.
my dear. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm leaving the light on if you come back around. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm holding on until forever. I will fight, but you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away. Yeah, we used to laugh. You were all that I had, so I gave you my all.
Okay guys, now it's time for my mini Yesstyle skin and hair care haul. I won't review them here because I've only been using some of these products for about a week, and I wanted to test them out a little longer in order to give my full review. So I'll just quickly show you guys what I got. I got them all from Yesstyle. If you guys are interested, of course, links will be on the description box below. I also have some coupon code for you guys so we could all save some coins. And yeah, maybe I'll review these products on my future videos or on my favorites videos. So yeah, please stay tuned for that.
Hold tight, I can save you from this deep black waters. Pull you in while you drift away. Yeah, you drift away.
Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my mini skincare haul, and also I hope you enjoyed this makeup look. Let me know what you think with the new setup, and I will be putting the links of everything on the description box below. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you next time.